Morning mist covered the river. Birds waited silently in bushes. Currents whispered paths to travelers. Stones listened quietly, without judgment. In the reeds rested a python. Its eyes held deep wisdom. Body movement reflected calm patience. Strength hid beneath shadowed water. Every breath followed the river. The python first learned stillness. Nearby deer ran across quickly. Fear pushed them into danger. Water splashed loudly, revealing movement. Crocodiles noticed vibrations almost immediately. The python observed without envy. Nature teaches rushing brings danger. Those who rush often fail. Patience is real hidden power. Eyes noticed every shadow carefully. Rocks, water, and wind taught. Sun climbed slowly above trees. Heat tested the python's focus. Waiting long always brings reward. The river teaches controlled strength. Every wave carries subtle lesson. A fish darted through currents. Hunger whispered dangerous, tempting shortcuts. The python remembered previous mistakes. Quick strikes attract sharper predators. Patience reveals the right opportunity. Wind screamed through trembling grass. Storms arrived suddenly without warning. The python stayed calm, unmoved. The river shows peace shelters. True strength grows through restraint. Night came with silver reflections. Moonlight revealed safe crossing paths. Crickets counted seconds of courage. The python traced invisible routes. Waiting brought moments of alignment. A careless boar entered shallow water. The river churned with loud energy. Predators sensed opportunity from vibrations. The python ignored all distraction. Strategy allows calm, unseen power. Hours passed like patient beads. The river slowed its gentle breath. Threats drifted away, disappointed quietly. The boar crossed safely at last. Mercy grew alongside careful restraint. The python understood victory differently. Survival outweighs winning reckless battles. Balance sustains life longer than force. Taking only necessary chances protects. Greed invites chaos and injury. Dawn returned with golden honesty. Light exposed previously hidden possibilities. The python sensed perfect timing. Action emerged from informed patience. Controlled movement followed natural rhythm. Crossing happened without alarming ripples. Predators remained unaware of motion. Strategy wrapped courage around timing. Success felt quiet, not loud. Observation converts risk into advantage. Opposite bank welcomed calm safety. The python rested coils fully. Lessons etched beneath resilient scales. Experience carved wisdom through waiting. The river smiled through reflections. Teacher and student exchanged silent respect. Nature rewards attentive learners generously. Rushing ignores lessons, repeats failure. Listening shortens dangerous journeys remarkably. Stillness teaches strength silently, always. Humans mirror rivers in life. Lives rush toward noisy crossings. Ambition splashes, announcing careless intentions. Opponents notice reckless vibrations quickly. Loss follows uncontrolled impatience, often. Be like the patient python. Observe patterns before decisive movements. Study the environment for threats. Let timing mature naturally first. Choose calm over reckless bravado. Pressure storms inside your mind. Anchor breath against inner thunder. Channel power through disciplined boundaries. Avoid overflow harming others unnecessarily. Wise strength guides future actions. Hunger for success tempts shortcuts. Remember, hunger invites sharper dangers. Gather information before moving boldly. Strategy protects dreams from ambush. Patience multiplies chances of survival. Silence can serve preparation purpose. Stillness hides resilience from enemies. Waiting does not equal weakness. Observation sharpens tools invisibly, always. Movement deserves earned, thoughtful permission. Bend like the flowing river. Obstacles redirect, but do not break. Preserve energy for essential actions. Restraint today secures tomorrow's safety. Wisdom grows through quiet hours. If fear pushes hasty steps, pause, breathe, and reassess directions. Notice details others often ignore. Choose routes, minimizing unnecessary exposure. Protect goals with careful timing. Avoid envy toward rushing crowds. Their noise attracts unwanted attention. Your silence preserves hidden advantage. Quiet success lasts far longer. Celebrate safety more than applause. When opportunity finally aligns perfectly, move decisively. Announce nothing loudly. Confidence comes from careful preparation. Results reflect patient investment only. Quiet victories endure beyond noise. Remember the python crossing safely. Remember the river teaching patience. Remember strategy saves even lives. Apply lessons in daily choices. Protect yourself with thoughtful timing. Sunlight warmed the quiet river. Shadows revealed safe paths clearly. The python waited without haste. Every movement calculated with care. Timing decided survival, not strength. Predators circled silently through reeds. The python observed without fear. Knowledge became armor against danger. Strategy guided every small action. Patience protected life from harm. Nearby crocodiles prowled hungry, quietly. Their eyes searched for careless prey. The river carried lessons deeply. Swift strikes invited deadly consequences. Preparation prevented unnecessary losses naturally. Storms returned with loud fury. Branches bent under angry winds. The python anchored along shore. Stillness became shield from chaos. Wisdom is calm in storms. Fish swam through swirling currents. Hunger whispered again, tempting shortcuts. The python waited silently longer. Impulse always attracts sharper enemies. Observation gave perfect opportunity. Finally, opposite bank revealed hidden grasses. Predators ignored silent moving shadow. The python crossed without fear. Every step measured and precise. Life rewards careful, patient choices. Morning sun reflected golden streaks. The river flowed steady and strong. Every ripple showed subtle direction. Lessons built slowly over time. Consistency creates lasting, meaningful outcomes. Humans act like rushing rivers. They ignore hidden dangers surrounding them. Impatience leads to preventable failures. Observing first saves unnecessary pain. Patience multiplies every chance available. The python paused after crossing. Its coils relaxed. With satisfaction, experienced engraved wisdom into scales. Life teaches only through experience. Every struggle strengthens thoughtful survival. Predators still searched unaware of movement. Caution shielded every deliberate motion. Quick decisions risked unwanted consequences. Strategy converted knowledge into protection. Calm planning defeated reckless chaos. Lessons emerge from observing quietly. Stillness builds hidden, growing strength. Waiting does not mean weakness. Knowledge turns risk into advantage. Strength flows through silent actions. Storms may rise within minds. Anchor yourself with steady breath. Channel energy only where needed. Discipline prevents destructive impulses naturally. Thoughtful restraint multiplies lasting power. Rushing destroys potential and clarity. Patience transforms struggle into opportunity. Observation reveals threats before approaching. Timing becomes friend of success. Calm presence outlasts loud urgency. Even small choices require strategy. Avoid distraction from unnecessary noise. Evaluate every situation with care. Act only when conditions align. Preparation safeguards dreams and ambitions. The river never rushed itself. Flow followed rhythm, not force. Obstacles bent, but never broke. Patience maintained life through adversity. Wisdom grew quietly, without boasting. Night fell with soft silver. Moonlight revealed pathways still safe. The python rested fully satisfied. Every coil reflected learned patience. Experience carved knowledge into scales. Humans rarely value silent lessons. They race into avoidable danger. Observation precedes meaningful, lasting action. Stillness preserves life's essential opportunities. Timing wins where force fails. When pressure rises like storms, pause, breathe, and regain control. Notice small signs others ignore. Move only after careful thought. Patience protects more than speed. Opportunity comes only to prepared. The python advanced without haste. Strategy became armor for survival. Every step counted, nothing wasted. Success arrives quietly after patience. Life rewards consistent, thoughtful effort. Rushing brings regret, not progress. Power exists within disciplined planning. Haste invites unseen, dangerous consequences. Observation and timing save precious lives. The python reached safe riverbank. Opposite side offered calm shelter. It rested, satisfied, fully content. Lessons engraved deeply within mind. Wisdom grows through patient endurance. Humans should learn from nature. Rushing invites peril, patience protects. Observation teaches survival, not weakness. Strategy ensures safety beyond strength. Life rewards careful, steady persistence. Remember, river teaches enduring patience. Remember, python crossing with quiet courage. Remember, strategy prevents unnecessary suffering. Apply these lessons every day. Protect dreams through calm timing. Listen. 4. Patience and strategy protect from dangers. Rushing exposes life to chaos. Observation converts risk into safety. Stillness builds strength beyond noise. Wisdom, preparation, and timing win. If this story touched your heart, follow 4 meaningful life lessons always. Comment your thoughts and experiences freely. Share this story with caring friends. Together, we grow patient, wise humans.